Good morning, guys. Here we're going today to Newcastle. I am day off today. Yesterday also I was day off, and today is the last day. This morning I wake up in the rain, and now it's getting better. Yeah, nice. We just get down from the bus and we are now here in the Newcastle bus terminal. Actually, that's the bus terminal, but you know, this is the unloading area. And yeah, there are so many changes I have noticed here. This is now having a color, and the tramway is almost passable. Nice. Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is the new Newcastle. This is beautiful, right? Everything new are beautiful to me. If you go there, if you get down there from the bus, you're going to see the wharf or the terminal for the ferry. Yeah, and then the bus terminal there, and then there is the new tramway. And if you go straight here, there will be the shopping street. I am hungry. I just had the coffee this morning. The time now is 11 o'clock. This is the shopping street. We've been here before, and I've shown this to you before also. Oh wow, wow, that is a tram. It's small in short. It says a tram in testing. Nice. Yeah, that is the tram. I thought I am going to see again the tram, but you know, the tramway already going there, so I will not be able to see the tram again if I go straight here. You know what, when I was in Dubai, oh look at this shop, big shoes, huh? Yeah, when I was in Dubai, I was one of the person to experience the tram. Yeah, on the very first day they opened the tram, I was one of the passenger. What nice, amazing experience. I actually made a video of that. Yeah, I've been walking a little bit longer, and we're going to eat in KFC. Okay, so this is $15.30 with 7-Up, this aioli, and this chicken. Yeah, I get down from that bus coming from Newcastle. I think this is still part of Newcastle, but maybe different town, I'm not sure. I just get down here because I saw this shopping mall. It says Junction Fair, so we're going to explore that, because you know, I'm actually looking for a knife. Yeah, a knife and a bread knife. Yeah, so I just bought a knife here, $33. I was choosing the one, the nice one, was $299. That's expensive. Yeah, this shop is like a culinary school. They sell everything about food. This place looks like a small community, but you know, they have the big brands like Rip Curl. We're going to wait for the bus there later, but at the moment we'll be waiting for the coffee. Bialiti Kitty. I have this before, coming from Italy, but you know, different shape. Yeah, I made a video, but you know, the people there commenting, they said I don't know how to use. Yeah. Yeah, that's we called it lugaw or porridge, and Yeah, I just ate that. The time now is at 11:50 in the night. I got home at around 8 o'clock, but it's still, it's still bright outside when I get home. And then I was just in my computer editing. I noticed that in Newcastle, yeah, the construction of the tram is very quick. If I'm not mistaken, they started the tram last year, yeah, 2018. But if you compare that to Sydney, wow, it's still a big portion of the tramway in Sydney is still not done. Yeah, especially the one in the George Street. I arrived here in Australia February 2016. So I arrived at February 10. And then I walk around the city and it was nice. There is no construction. And then on the February 11, I took a taxi. The taxi guy said, "Oh, we cannot go to the George Street. It's the traffic. They are doing some barricades." And that actually is the beginning of the construction of the tramway in George Street in Sydney. And until now, they are still doing the construction within the George Street in Sydney. Yeah. That will be the second tramway in Sydney. Yeah, but it's very long time ago. 2016, 2017, 2018, almost 4 years. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, 12 o'clock. Yeah, tomorrow my duty will start at 12 o'clock. Still have time. I'm always like this. I sleep just 5 hours, 6 hours. But if I am very tired, I feel that I sleep more than that. Yeah. Good morning, guys. I just wake up. I'm currently hooked up watching this vlog.
Holy shit, it's insane. What an hour makes here. The wind has just come in, lumping from the south. The tide has gone out.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna try and hump something.
That guy is a Australian guy living in somewhere in
Something like that. This weather has
Western Australia, if I'm not mistaken.
especially for
Yeah.
fish. 3 days ago, it was just
This guy is basically a electrician, and he's vlogging also, of course, full-time electrician, and he's vlogging. And very interesting because doing an adventure in the water. Look at this scene like this. I think he's recording it by himself, but sometimes he's with a friend and with the family in the water. Yeah. But if you look at this, it looks like professional video editing. Really nice. YouTube channel. In most of his video, I saw him picking up garbage along the shoreline. Yeah, some people, they just leave their garbage there and pick it up and put it in his car. And look, he's eating.
things to make a nice fireplace, protection from the wind. Make a fireplace, a bit of protection from the wind.
Even though we want to start the started highways, it's the country lead us my way. The things still busy these days. A lot of cars is still. We're waiting for them to go through, and we're going to cross on the other side. I get confused. Now it's time. So as you can see, still a lot of people here. I don't know how it happens that people are also on holidays. It's supposed to be just the students. I don't. Yeah. At the moment, I am using my GoPro Hero Session. the Hero 4. Yeah. I realized when I was leaving the house, I realized that my GoPro Hero 7 is running low battery. Yeah. And the other because I have two battery, but yesterday I forgot to charge the other one, and that is why I end up using this GoPro Hero Session. This Hero Session is one of the best GoPro camera. The only thing that I don't like about this Hero Session is the viewfinder, point of view. Is it? Yeah, there is no linear, just wide. Look at this, there is one very big caravan. Nice. For sure it is complete with like a real house.